My lord, before my learned senior colleague could start his arguments, my lord, I just have one submission, my lords. My lords, this matter is referring to two loan accounts, my lords. We are willing to settle the loan accounts itself, including the interest part as well. That is the undertaking which I can also take, my lord, which my client is also taking. So if my learned senior colleague could give us 2 weeks time, I myself will sit with him, with my client, and we'll close both the accounts, my lords.
Story is nice, my lord, but back history is very bad.
I understand, my lords. I'm not.
I'll record all this.
Please,
my lord.
please.
I'll record all this. What he is submitting.
It may either be referred to mediation or we ourselves will close the matter in the next 2 weeks, my lord.
What do you say, mediation or you will settle?
There is, my lord, I really don't understand, my lord, what to submit, because from 2014, my lord, 8 crores, 80 lakhs loan was given.
Who is the appellant?
Appellant, my lord, is a cooperative bank.
Cooperative
Urban bank.
How much is the amount?
23 crores.
My lords,
After loan, my lord, not even 1 rupee paid.
3 crores from 2014.
my lords,
9 crore 80 lakhs was the total loan paid in the year 2014. Then when he failed, my lord, we proceeded under section 70 of the Karnataka Cooperative Society Act, filed a dispute against him. Award has been passed. No payment has been made. In 2023, my lord, all this new act, Surface Act has come into force. So we are entitled to exercise powers, my lord, under Surface Act. Supreme Court has also cleared it that in respect of urban cooperative banks, this Surface Act powers could be exercised. So we issued a notice, my lord, under section 13.2.
Yes.
No reply. 13.4, we passed a final order, symbolic possession. No reply. Then we filed an application to the magistrate.
What is the property mortgage?
Property mortgage, my lord, consists of about 2 acres of land and a converted, my lord, site property in Sadashivanagar, Bangalore. Then, my lord, we filed an application for, my lord, actual physical possession under section 14 of the Surface Act. He has filed the present suit. The prayer in the present suit is grant injunction against the defendant, cooperative bank, restraining the defendant from taking possession of the property, restraining the defendant
Court has
from...
granted.
Please, my lord.
Court has granted.
my lords,
Court has said, court after holding, plaintiff has no prima facie case, plaintiff has no balance of convenience, no irreparable cause will be caused to the defendant number 1. After holding it, the trial court has granted, my lord, injunction against the defendant. Now he says, my lord, this, my lord, settlement story.
Where is the order?
My lord, your lordship sees the order, my lord, at
number 16.
page, my lord.
Which court is this?
City
Trial
Police.
court, my lord. Page 38 is the impugned order. Findings, my lord, at page 36, first paragraph. If your lordships looks at, my lord, page 36, first paragraph. Looking to the case of the plaintiffs in that angle, the plaintiffs have not made out a prima facie case. Balance of convenience is also not in favor of the plaintiffs, and irreparable injury will be caused to the defendant number 1.
According to him, now the new law is when all the 3 of them are not there, then injunction should.
My lords, if my
Not even 1 rupee paid, my lord, from 2014. They go on saying we will settle, we will settle.
Once proceedings are initiated, why the court had entertained this?
It could not have, my lord, it has no jurisdiction.
Easy alleging any fraud and other thing?
yes, my lords, we are alleging.
What is the fraud? No, let him say, my lord, what is the fraud? One sentence, my lord, fraud. Fraud requires particulars. What is the fraud? Award is there against him. Long ago, he has not filed appeal. I am asking that award amount recovery.
My lords,
What is the fraud which is saying?
my lords, my only
Fraud is I am bringing the property for auction.
my lords, my only submission is that, my lord, if my lordships may turn to page number 36 of that order itself, I've made the same undertaking here also, my lords, wherein I'm willing to settle the matter.
6 months have lapsed from the date of decree. You could have sold it now.
My lords,
Will not entertain any of it. We'll hear it.
My
from
lords.
the separate. No.
my lords,
Already you had the benefit of approaching
my
several
lords,
courts.
it may be posted on Wednesday, my lords. My senior counsel will. It may be posted on Wednesday, my lords.
Pose this matter on Monday on the top of the list.